Welcome to Cusco in Peru. If you're coming to Cusco and you want a lovely hotel to stay in for your journey on to Machu Picchu or simply to explore Cusco itself, then I'll take you around and give you a guided tour of the hotel I'm staying at here, which is Los Portales. It's literally a 10-minute walk to the main square of Cusco. Let's go inside. That's the hotel, Los Portales. This is your lobby area, the reception area. On there. Hello guys. Hi. Around here, it's a free water dispenser. You have various coffee beans and snacks that you can actually purchase if you want to. I'm a big fan of Inca Cola. That's really nice. Tastes like bubble gum, but it's really nice though. That's the restaurant for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'll put a video of the lunch and dinner menu on the video now for you, so you can see what that is. So this is the breakfast offering. It's a small breakfast offering, but it's functional, definitely. I'll try and show you later the menu for lunch and dinner. It's quite a nice menu. Yeah, it's fresh fruit. Cheese. Oh, it's fresh bread, scrambled eggs and yucca balls with cheese, soto chickens, corn, vanilla hot cakes with potato fritters. This is toasted there, the croissants, bread rolls, and jam. And that is the breakfast offering. There's also an outdoor area here. You can eat out here as well if you want to. It's really nice. It's got a natural light area. We've got a lounge in here as well, with a couple of computers. So it's a small hotel, but the staff are really lovely. Room's comfortable. I'll put a video of our hotel room on the video now for you. So let me show you the actual room itself. Just open the door. Casey's just arrived. 212. So fairly small, but definitely functional. TV, desk, tea and coffee. Fridge in there. And there's water, and there's free water downstairs as well. So view, we've got a view. No, not much of a view. One word of warning though, altitude sickness is a real thing. Myself and my wife have both got headaches since we arrived. We were told we would get that, and you get queasiness. So it goes off hopefully in a day or two, but you need to make sure you do keep hydrated. That's the bathroom. Sink, toilet, shower, and small wardrobe area in here. That is a hairdryer, safe, extra blankets and pillows, and they do offer a laundry service here as well. Let's carry on the tour of the hotel for you. That's the lift and stairs up to the second floor. At this stage, I'll show you the dinner menu in the hotel, which is quite extensive, and also my dinner. Show you the menu. Again, really good prices, particularly for a hotel. Had lunch here, which was really nice. Chicken. So I'll show you what the dinner is like when it comes up.
Yeah.
So you see, it's quite an extensive menu. It also offers a in-room service as well. which is a condensed version of what I'm showing you here. Which and obviously if you want a sandwich at lunchtime, because this is the same lunch and dinner menu. And desserts. Here we go, it's the lunch and dinner menu here at Los Portales. So that whole meal for the main and the starter that I showed you, my wife's main, which was a tenderloin steak with sauteed vegetables, plus 2 drinks, came to £32 in total, which is absolutely fantastic value. Lovely. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. So there we are. That's the Los Portales Hotel here in Cusco. It's about a 8 to 10 minute walk into the historical centre and the main square, which is literally in the direction you go along the road and then up. It's about 10 minutes away. Highly recommended. So it's in a great location, really comfortable hotel, little hotel. So it's not a major brand one. It's a 3-star hotel, but it absolutely serves the purpose if you come into Cusco. You can book it. A lot of tour agencies do use this hotel as part of their group bookings. And I think you can also book it through booking.com as well. If you're coming to Cusco, then highly recommended. On these travels, so far I've been to Lima. I've done a full review guide of Lima. So please do check that out with some top tips and information if you come into the capital of Peru. I've also done a full review of the hotel I stayed at with my wife in Lima, which is the Holiday Inn, Miraflores. So again, highly recommended. Please do check that one out. Tomorrow, I am going with my wife to Machu Picchu on the train, so we're looking forward to doing that. I will be doing a full tour guide of Cusco, so you can actually see what this wonderful city is like. It's beautiful, honestly. I really underestimated how lovely Cusco was going to be. Totally safe city, but I've done a full guide of that. I did an open top bus tour when we actually included an Inca ceremony. So we're posting that one as well, to name but a few. After my trip to Peru with my wife, we're going to be travelling on to Santiago in Chile. So we're doing some videos from there and on to Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So please do check those out if you're interested in coming to South America. Because, first time I've been into South America, and all I've got at the moment is really good words to say about it. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions at all about the hotel, about Cusco itself or Peru, visiting Peru, then please do ask in the comments below, and I always undertake to answer any questions people raise within 24 hours. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.